Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at the quick new taskbar style that you can get in your Windows 11. It's giving you quick result, quick response and everything. So let's talk about the new taskbar for your Windows 11. So guys, this is not the official dialogue or the comment that Windows 11 has made, but you can access this kind of new taskbar inside your Microsoft PowerToys, and that's giving you the authority to get kind of more flexibility than the regular taskbar that we get. So here over the Microsoft PowerToys, I'm not sure if it's Microsoft PowerToys. So it's giving kind of early version of taskbar. Maybe it could be the coming taskbar in future. So it's mentioned with the kind of dock preview. So it's kind of taskbar, but still not taskbar. It's a dock. It reminded me of the Rocket Dock that we used to use in a Windows PCs back in 2010. And yeah, if you were a kid and you loved the customization, you would have heard of it. And anyways, so coming back to the point, inside command palette, going to the settings, and again a command palette, and inside this settings you can have the preview of this dock, or you can say the taskbar you like. So here it's tagged with new, and if we enable this option, it's going to give us the look of this new taskbar or docklet, whatever you say. So it's giving us the necessary informations that we usually get with the taskbar, like your processor usage, RAM, GPU, etc. And you can align the position like we do with the regular taskbar, left, right, upside, bottom. So anywhere you would like to position it, you can. So let's try it out with the bottom position. Let's see how does it look. Yeah, I think it looks good, but still not. It's making me feel like I have taskbar 2 times. So let's position it back to the top side so that we can have kind of a clean look. Yeah, still something missing. All right, so we will run the actions one by one, but first let me hide the native taskbar that we have with the Windows 11 so that we can use this as the regular one. All right, and you can see the necessary information, time, your network, GPU, CPU, every information right here. All right, so let's hide the native one first. For that, we need to go to the taskbar setting. I think that would be under personalization. Yeah, let's move to the taskbar, and yeah, here it is. It's hidden. So finally, now we have here the complete look, complete minimalist, and everything is clean. All right, so this is giving vibe of kind minimalist. Let's try to calculate. So rather than opening the calculator, it's just giving the result over there. It's direct. You just don't have to work with the graphical user interface of calculator. Let's search for the footages that I have. Yeah, you know what, I'm really impressed. It is giving me instant result rather than opening the Explorer, then looking for the particular file. It's just giving me the things. And here you can see the extra options, like to run, just hit enter. With extra admin privileges, you can hit control and then enter. So yeah, and you can see the run dialogues that I have run through the run box. Everything is here. And if I want to run the CMD, I can simply hit control and enter, like I said, and it is going to open up. So it's kind of a coming feature, I believe, in next coming versions of Windows 11, or maybe with the new upcoming version of Windows 12 maybe. So yeah, that's kind of impressive. So if you would like to have it, you can have it using the Microsoft PowerToys from the Windows Store, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.